Good morning students. How are you? I hope you are all good. This is your science classes and we discuss chapter number 13, that is motion and time. In my previous video we complete chapter number 13, motion and time, and also we complete the exercise question given in your NCERT textbook. So we will discuss some other questions which is based on speed, time, distance and oscillation. Okay, now question number first is a dog is walking. Question first, a dog is walking. A dog is walking at a speed of 6 kilometer per hour. Then first how much distance does it cover in 5 minutes? Now solution given क्या है? Given speed equal to 6 kilometer per hour and time equal to 5 minutes. We change the minute into hour, so we divide 5 divided by 60, so 1 by 12 hour. 1 by 12 hour, and we know that distance speed equal to distance upon time. So in question we find the distance. Now distance equal to cross multiplication speed into time, and now distance equal to what is the value of speed in question, that is 6, and what is the value of time, that is we converted into hour, it is 1 by 12. 6 1 is 6 and 6 2s are 12. Now answer is 1 by 2 kilometer. 1 by 2 kilometer. Okay, and if we converted kilometer in meter, so we multiply distance equal to 1000. 1 by 2 kilometer into 1000, then answer is 500 मीटर, मीटर 500 मीटर, 1/2 into 1000 meter. Answer. Distance is 500 meter. Okay. How much distance does it cover? 5 मिनट. जो डॉग है वो 5 मिनट में कितनी डिस्टेंस को कवर करेगा? तो आंसर है 1/2 किलोमीटर कवर करेगा एंड 500 मीटर कवर करेगा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question. Question number 2. A swimming pool. A swimming pool. A swimming pool is 50 meters long, 50 meters long, 50 meters long. A boy can swim. A boy can swim. A boy can swim across the length, across the length, across the length, and then return to his starting position, to his starting position. To his starting position in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. What is swimming speed? What is his swimming What is his swimming speed in kilometer per hour? देखिए, a swimming pool is 50 meters long. A boy can swim across the length and then return to his starting position in 5 minutes. What is his swimming speed in किलोमीटर पर आवर? एक बॉय है, वो स्विमिंग पूल की जो लेंथ है वो 50 मीटर गिवन है. और देखिए सॉल्यूशन, देखिए सॉल्यूशन. दिस इज द स्विमिंग पूल एंड दिस द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ए एंड फाइनल पॉइंट इज बी. लेंथ कितनी है? ये स्विमिंग पूल की लेंथ 50 मीटर गिवन है. 50 मीटर इन क्वेश्चन. स्विमिंग पूल की लेंथ 50 मीटर गिवन है, यहां से लेकर के यहां तक. अब देखिए, एक बॉय है, वो a boy can swim across the length and then return to his starting position in 5 minutes. जो बॉय है वो स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन से स्विमिंग करना स्टार्ट करते हुए एंड पोजीशन पे यानी पॉइंट बी पर जाता है, तो फिर बी से रिटर्न टू हिज द स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन इन 5 मिनट. यहां से यहां तक जाके 50 मीटर्स को कवर कर रहा है. इसके बाद एंड से फिर से स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन पे वो वापस आ रहा है। ओके, तो यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस अगर हम लोग देखें तो 50 प्लस 50 इक्वल टू 100, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम लोग टोटल डिस्टेंस की बात करेंगे। टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाई टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाई द बॉय इक्वल टू 50 मीटर प्लस 50 मीटर इक्वल टू टोटल 100 मीटर्स। 100 मीटर, टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 100 मीटर बिकॉज जो बॉय है वो स्विम करते हुए फाइनल पॉइंट तक आ रहा है, बट और बी से फिर रिटर्न स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आ रहा है। टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर बाय द बॉय दैट इज 100 मीटर। नाउ वी कन्वर्टेड मीटर into kilometer, then distance equal to 100 meter. Now 100 upon 1000, 0 to 0, 0 to 0 cancel out, and 0.1 kilometer. 0.1 kilometer because in question what is his swimming speed in kilometer per hour. हमने यहाँ पे मीटर को किलोमीटर में इसलिए कन्वर्ट किया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे किलोमीटर पर आवर में हमको उसकी स्पीड को फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, नाउ टाइम इज 5 minutes, so we converted minutes into hour because in question we find the speed in kilometer per hour. So 5 divided by 60, 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 12. Okay, that is 1 by 12 or 1 by 12 or, and we know that the formula of speed equal to distance upon time. Then what is the value of distance? That is 0.1 kilometer. And what is the value of time? That is 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Okay, now we also can write this 0.1 into 12 by 1, and when we remove the decimal, then we remove the decimal point, then we divided by 10. Okay, now answer is 12 by 10. 12 by 10 equal to 1.2 kilometer per hour. Answer 1.2 kilometer per hour. Now next question is, this question is related to graph. Okay, and question is, question number 3. Question number 3, the distance The distance covered by a moving body, covered by a moving body was recorded after every 1 second, after every 1 second to 1 second for 4 seconds, 4 seconds. The data is given. The data is given. The data is given in the table. In the table, how would you represent it? Represent it graphically. How would you represent it graphically? And find the speed. Find the speed of the body from the graph. And table is here. Time, which is given in second, and distance, which is given in meter. Okay. Time 0, distance is covered by 0, and when time is 1, then distance in meter is 3, and time 2 second, then distance is 6 meter, and time is 3 second, then distance is covered 9 meter, and time is 4 second, and distance is covered 12 meter. This is table. Now solution. We know that this is y-axis and this is x-axis. This is the horizontal line, which is x-axis, and this is the vertical line, and it is y-axis. And where the x-axis and y-axis is made together, this point is known as origin, and it is also denoted by O. Okay. Now we know that in x-axis we denote time, and in y-axis we denoted distance. Time given in second and distance given in meter. So here the data is given, and we know that 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 distance is 0, then 3, 6, 9 and 12. So in question, the distance covered by moving body was recorded after every 1 second for 4 seconds. The data is given in the table. 0 सेकेंड में कोई भी बॉडी कितनी मूव कर रही है, 0 पे 0, ओके, एंड 1 पे 3 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है, 2 सेकेंड में 6 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है, 2 सेकेंड डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है, एंड 3 सेकेंड में 9 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है, 9 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है, एंड 4 सेकेंड में 12 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रही है, ओके। When we make the graph, and this is the straight line graph and the motion is uniform motion. Straight line graph, straight line, and motion is uniform motion. Uniform motion. We know that if any body moving with a constant speed, then the motion is called uniform motion, okay. Now ग्राफ से कैलकुलेट करने पे वैल्यू देख लीजिए, स्पीड इक्वल टू आ जाएगी, स्पीड इक्वल टू 6/2, 6 अगर हम लोग यहां से 6/2 को डिवाइड करें, डिस्टेंस कितना है, वी नो दैट स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, एंड डिस्टेंस इज 6 एंड टाइम इज 2. नाउ 2 3s are 6, 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड, वैल्यू सेम आएगी, ओके। नाउ नेक्स्ट पे हम लोग निकाल लेते हैं स्पीड। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे देखिए 9/3, 3 3s are 9, नाउ द स्पीड इज 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड, ओके। हम लोग ये देखेंगे वैल्यू जो भी है वो रिपीट करेगी, इससे हम लोग ये देख सकते हैं कि जो ग्राफ है हमारा बिल्कुल ही सही है। अगर हम लोग 12/4 करते हैं तो 4 3s are 12 and answer is 3 meter per second. So this motion is known as uniform motion. Okay students, so I hope this is clear to all of you. Next video we discuss some other questions related to speed and distance. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.